Welcome to Mampu AI. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to add, improve, and test AI knowledge in Mampu AI so your agent can give more accurate and business-approved answers. Before using AI knowledge, make sure OpenAI is connected under Settings, Integrations, and AI Providers. Under FAQ, Knowledge and Media Processing, select OpenAI and click Connect. Enter your OpenAI API key, then click Create. For security, always keep your API key private and never expose it in a published recording. Once OpenAI shows it's connected, we can start building the agent's business knowledge. Go to Flow Agents and open the AI Knowledge Hub. Here, knowledge is organized into FAQs, products, promotions, scheduling information, tone and persona, and topics the AI should avoid. Let's start by adding an FAQ. A good knowledge entry should contain a complete customer question and a clear answer. Start by adding a complete question and answer. Here, we're teaching the assistant how to respond when a customer asks about the duration of teeth whitening. Avoid fragmented answers. Give the AI enough context to understand both the topic and the appropriate business response. Once saved and processed, the entry is available as approved knowledge and can be retrieved by the agent. Knowledge quality matters. A question such as price, with the answer depends, gives the AI almost no useful context. Instead, rewrite it as a complete customer question, such as, how much does teeth whitening cost at Bright Dental? The answer can then explain that pricing varies and direct the customer to the team for the latest information without inventing a price. Knowledge also includes how the AI should communicate. For Bright Dental, we'll use a friendly but formal tone, avoid unnecessary emojis and short-form language, and allow the assistant to respond in the customer's language. Special instructions provide additional guidance. In this example, the assistant should use approved Bright Dental information, avoid inventing prices or policies, avoid diagnosis or treatment guarantees, and offer human assistance when the requested information is unavailable. You don't have to enter every FAQ manually. Existing business information can also be imported. Here, we're importing a Word document containing Bright Dental FAQs, allowing Mampu AI to generate knowledge entries from content the business already has. Imported content is placed in pending while it is processed and reviewed. Pending knowledge should not be treated as approved business information until the review is complete. Finally, test the knowledge from the agent's playground. We'll follow the Bright Dental flow, choose Get More Information, and ask a natural customer question about the duration of a whitening treatment. The assistant retrieves the approved Bright Dental information and responds with the relevant guidance. This confirms that the knowledge query can use the business information we added, even when the customer's wording is slightly different from the original FAQ. That's the foundation of a reliable AI knowledge setup. Add complete information, improve vague entries. Define how the AI should behave, and test the final answers using realistic customer questions. In the next tutorial, we'll test the complete agent, connect it to an inbox, and prepare it for publishing. Subscribe us for next part.